Hey, so you have set up your quiz, but there is one more thing you can do. It's all about AI. What does it mean? As you can see on my screen, there is something called add specific instruction for the recommendation engine. Here, you can directly talk to the AI and ask the AI to get kind of behavior or to push some product. For example, I'm a skincare brand and I want to push like some routines, or now it's winter, so I want to push some product like maybe for cold weather or something like that. I just have to put some instruction here, like I want to focus on routines. It's very important. It's winter now, so we should push seasonal product matching. It's just like some specific instruction you want to give to the AI to push the right product for the right moment for the right visitors. You can put everything you want, some product recommendation or product matching, or say this product is more adapted for this kind of customers, etc. Just put like everything you want to tell to the AI as it was a salesperson in a store, and push it here, and it will be taken in consideration with the AI for all the recommendation. So just a quick tips how to use the instruction here, and hope it will help you for the next time. If you have any question, if you need help, just text me. I will be happy to assist you.